This is Bodo Thai. So earlier in the week, I made this video about how to say no in Thai. And that's supposed to be part 1. And this right here is part 2, as I promised. Like I said before, there's thousands of ways to say no in Thai. And each situation is different. Today, I'm going to break it down to about 10 or 15 or I don't know. I can't count. So enough talk and let's go. So how to say no in Thai. The foundation is no is might, M-A-I, as we all know it from part 1 that he explained it earlier. And might will go for everything. It just might is no. Okay? Well, let's get right into it. First one today is mai tan. Right here. Mai tan. With a T. Mai tan. Mai tan. Means I couldn't get there on time. I'm a bit late. I missed the train, I missed the bus, I missed the opportunity. I was too drunk, I was out too late last night and I missed my flight back home. Now I have to stay in Thailand for another 5 years. Mai tan. So yeah, that was the first one, mai tan. Alright? I was late. Next one is mai dai. Mai dai. Mai dai means not allowed. You're not allowed to do it. You can't do it. You can't do that. You're not allowed to do that. You know? Or you shouldn't be doing that. You're doing it wrong. I don't know how you want to put it, but mai dai. You're out at the bar and you're having a drink and you made a friend and your friend want to follow you home or back to the hotel. And you have like, you know, your wife, your grandma and 10 kids at the hotel. She was like, hey, I want to go back to your hotel. And you go, yeah, mai dai. Mai dai. Yeah, mai dai. All right? Okay, next one. Mai tong. Mai tong with a T. Not my thong. Mai tong. Okay? Make it short. Any thong. That sounds like a thong. You don't want that, man. So just make it short. Short sounded. Mai tong. Alright? Maybe it's a short thong. Sidetrack, man. Anyway, it means no need to. You know, you don't have to do that. No need to do that. Mai tong. You want to go out with the boys tonight and you want to go out drinking with the guys. You call your girlfriend and you said, hey, you know, I'm a little bit sick today and I'm just going to stay in. And she's like, well, you know what? I can come over and take care of you. And you're like, holy crap. No, yeah, mai tong. Mai tong. Which means you don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. I'm fine. All right, next one. Mai koi. Mai koi. K-O-I. Mai koi. Mai koi means not much, not really, not lately. You know, I don't really like it. For example, you come here often and here's your like second time or whatever. You go, yeah, mai koi. Mai koi, which means I haven't, no, I'm not a regular. Or at a shopping mall and you have like 2 shirts, one black and one pink. The sales girl or salesman say, hey, I know you like the black. What do you think of the pink one? It look good on you. You go, it's mai koi, mai koi. No, it's not for me. Okay, I don't really like it. All right, next one. Mai chua. This means I don't believe it. I don't believe you. For example, you're sitting at the bar and someone say, holy crap, a monkey just stole my wallet and I don't have money to pay. And you go, mai chua. Mai chua. I mean, I don't believe you. I don't believe it. And then you might see a monkey just running around with a wallet in the hand. I don't know. Just make things up. All right, mai chua. Next one. Mai jampen. Mai jampen. Mai jampen means not necessary. You met someone at the bar and you know, you hit it off and you want to walk them home or you give them a ride home or whatever and they go mai jampen means it's not necessary. Well, basically they have their own reason and you probably don't want to know that reason, right? Just let it go. Mai jampen. Next one is mai pao jai. Mai pao jai. Mai pao jai means I'm not happy with the result. You want to stay longer in Thailand, but you missed the deadline to renew your visa to stay in Thailand. And they tell you have to pay $700. And you go, mai pao jai. Means I'm not happy with this. Yeah, I'm not happy with it. Even though it's your fault. for staying too late because you're having too much fun and now you're like complaining. ไม่พอใจ Next one ไม่เอา Hey man, you want this like Hello Kitty t-shirt? It look good on you. You're like ไม่เอา What the hell are you talking about? You know, I don't want to wear that. ไม่เอา Alright, ไม่เอา You just refuse them. You don't want it. I don't want it. Or at the restaurant, you having a coffee and hey, the waiter's like, you want milk with that? You want sugar with that? You go ไม่เอา Or you want ice with that? You ไม่เอา Means I don't want it. I don't need it. Thank you. At the end, you can put cup or car at the end if you want. It's fine. ไม่เอา cup ไม่เอา car. On all of this, you can put cup or car. It's up to you. I don't know. I'm just stick with the no. Next one. ไม่ถูก means that's incorrect. Not right. Not correct. Your answer is not right. You're wrong. ไม่ถูก Just say if you take a taxi and the meter said 300 baht. That's like $10. I don't know. Yeah, 300 baht, right? The taxi driver is like, hey, it's gonna be 1,000 baht. And you go, oh, come on, bro. ไม่ถูก means that's not correct. I can see it right there. It said 300 and you try to charge me 1,000. Yeah, ไม่ถูก. All right, so that's ไม่ถูก right there. ไม่ถูก All right, next one is ไม่คุ้ม Okay, sounds kind of strange, but practice it. ไม่คุ้ม means not worth it. It's not worth it at all for what I paid. At the attraction or whatever, you see the big old sign that said, man eating chicken. Yeah, 2,000 baht to get in to go see man eating chicken. Right? Dang, sounds good. It must be big ass chicken. It's like eating, right? You get in, you go inside, and there's a man with a bucket of Kentucky Fried Chicken just eating it. And you're like, what the dude? Now, that's ไม่คุ้ม mean it's not worth it. I didn't expect to see that. I expect to see a big ass chicken eating a man, not man eating chicken. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So ไม่คุ้ม Alright. Okay. Next. ไม่เข้าใจ I don't understand it. I don't get it. Someone kicking you out from the hotel. The security guard come and knock on the door and say, sorry, had to leave the hotel. And you go, ไม่เข้าใจ Well, because you're being too drunk and you're too loud and it's 3 in the morning and you're running around the hallway naked and you go, ไม่เข้าใจ Why? I don't get it. Next one, ไม่เกี่ยว means it's not related, it's not relevant. ไม่เกี่ยว For instance, a guy borrowed $1,000 from you and you want it back. And he said, well, I don't have the money right now because the sky is purple. And you go, ไม่เกี่ยว. I mean, it's not relevant. It's not related at all. You just try to fool me, Yeah, ไม่เกี่ยว. All right. Yeah, it's pretty simple. There's more ways to say no, but I'm just gonna try to make part 3 and part 4 if you like this kind of stuff. So you can pick and choose which one you don't use. Just don't use it. You have the power to do that, man. I'm just giving you the information. So yeah, just pick one of those. Pick all of them if you want to learn. And if you like this kind of content, my name is Bodo, and this is Bodo Thai, and I'll see you next time. Peace.